morning, guys. I uploaded my video this morning. I have to edit my video that I filmed, my videos, I should say, that I filmed this weekend at my job. And today's Monday. Let's get it on. So I'm transferring backpacks because this one, I packed too much stuff in it and it ripped. So this one's a goner. Yeah. So we're gonna unpack it and put all of our stuff into this one. It's unfortunate because that one has more pockets than this one, but if this one breaks, I can get it replaced by my work, so there's that. Okay, backpack is packed. Also, another really cool thing I received in the mail from my work. I got t-shirts, so now I can stop wearing black shirts as much. But they also, in this little canister, got us earplugs. So that's really cool. I don't know how well they work. I have to go to an event to really find out, but that's cool though, because it gets really loud in there. These are going in my backpack as well.
And it's hard because we travel.
Okay, I might have forgotten that I had a rental car still, and then I need to go drop it off. So that's what we're gonna do. Drop off this rental car. Okay, I need my wallet. I need the keys. Shoes would be great. I was about to go to the gym and then I looked at my keys and I was like, there's a rental car key on there. It's like, oh. Anyway, I hope it's not cold outside. All right, I'm gonna go. When you actually have a real job. Also, I be driving some like really nice cars. Okay, anyways, let's get going. First thing I want to check though, if I left anything in the car, and I don't think I did. Okay, I misjudged the weather. It's cold as hell. And I think it's from my mom, so we're gonna open it and see what's inside. Ooh, protein, love it. What do we got here? Ooh, nut butter protein. Ugh, I love Justine's stuff. That's cool. I don't know what this is. Let's see, what else? What is this? Oh, a waterless diffuser. That's cool. We got in here. Ooh, protein bars. I'm so excited. Yes. Great. Oils. That's what it is. So I can diffuse with the diffuser. Yes. Thank you, Mother. I love when I get care packages from Mom and Jimmy. It's just, it's so nice. I'm putting on this diffuser so quick. I started the laundry, got dressed for the gym. Let's go to the gym. Like getting all the nutrients I can today, because I've been probably so nutrient deprived for the entire weekend. It's 11 o'clock. Where did the time go? I don't know. I've been posting YouTube shorts, TikToks, all that stuff. But I need to edit videos from this weekend. It's supposed to be a really nice day too. It's supposed to be like 64 outside in Philly. So I want to go for a little walk. But I have to edit. I don't want to edit because I've been sitting all my life this weekend. Literally every time I be sitting. But it's fine. Also, I love this keyboard. Makes me feel fancy. Makes me feel like I'm an editor. You know what I mean? Definitely not an editor, but I like to think I am. At Insta go. I don't know how I feel about this camera. It's good in some ways, and then in other ways, it kind of just fails me. And I wish in that moment that I had a GoPro. But honestly, it is what it is. It's a lot like smaller and things are more discreet rather than a GoPro. So I'm thankful for that in that aspect. Yeah. Alright, time to go edit these freaking videos. I don't like the editing. I need to get myself an editor. However, I don't have the budget. Also, I don't trust editors because like, what if you, I don't know, what if you like have all the inside scoop, all the uncut footage of me, you know, and you decide to post it somewhere else? I don't trust. It's copying. All right, let me chill. But yeah, so I'm literally just gonna be editing for, I don't know how long. First video edited, it's rendering. Yeah. Also, I've really wanted to change the framing of the YouTube videos. Like I know like some people do a 4x3 and like it looks sick and I kind of want to try it. So maybe this next video I'll try the little 4x3. I have it written down on like how to export it. So hopefully that it exports in the right way where YouTube realizes the size of it and it doesn't have the black bars on the side. But we'll see. I don't know. All we could do is try, right? Okay, so my last video is rendering. I just got done editing it. It's 12 o'clock right now. I want to eat some lunch. And I might go for a walk outside. I don't know, but also Haley wants to go for a walk. So I'm like, do I save my walk or do I shorten my walk or what's going on with the walk? On the menu today, focaccia bread. I'll eat something else with it, but right now I just want to enjoy the bread. I like bread, leave me alone. Okay, so I really like this brand of protein drinks. They are non-dairy. This is a chocolate one, and it's a big one, and I got it at Grocery Bargain Outlet Market, okay? Because that's the place to go to get stuff for cheap. It's good. So, there's 2.5 servings in here with 18 grams of protein in it, so. And there's only 4 grams of added sugars, which is good. You like it out here, Rose? I might need a little hoodie. I'm not gonna lie. I might need a little sweatshirt. What, Rose? Oh my god. My glasses are starting to transition. They're transitioning. I'm transitioning, Rose. Move. I gotta get back in here. You can stay out there though, Rose. Dude, I need to fold my laundry. Look at this mess. On my bed. Look at this. Fold my laundry. You can stay out there, Rose. I can see you. She's so conflicted. Alright, so I got a message that I have a package. So we're gonna go and get that package. I got like supposedly fitting like spandexy white beaters that don't stretch out. So I don't know. I don't know if this is even gonna like work. You know, I was supposed to get like tank tops that were like stretchy. This is not very fitting. I also don't like how like the armpits, they go out. Like, what is that? Return. Like, done. You know what? All that build up for what? Now I gotta return this thing. It's so warm out here. It's so nice. The only like green space in Philly. Dude, it's so hot. I'm about to change in. I'm about to go back. I'm literally, it's inconvenient, but I'm about to go back because I'm sweating. I came back to the apartment mostly because A, I'm gonna probably walk again with my girlfriend, and B, my hand's tingling again, and but yeah, I'm probably going to watch a movie right now because my brain needs it. It needs it. Thursday through Sunday, Monday are like the most intense days of my life. But then after that, I get to relax, you know? And it's nice. Cause like, I need to relax. Cause like, it's so intense. And then it's like, fine, you know? And it's so intense and it's fine. So it's just like, you know, I'm trying to just get into the fine. I'm trying to just chill, take care of my body, you know? Cause like, my arm is numb, literally. Okay, I lied. I came up with a better idea to enjoy my rent and also to get some relaxation in. No, cause like this is why I train, so that I can just be normal and look ripped in the summer. See, this is the winter arc. Okay, so I've never come out and actually enjoyed the patio. Also, there's a weird chicken bone right here and it's kind of stressing me out. But I'm enjoying my rent right now. Because I've never been out on this space other for the tour. But now I'm gonna read a little bit. Get a little tan. Talking glazed donut for the summer. What am I doing? You know, I would like this a little bit more if the seats weren't like really hard plastic. But I mean, hey, you know, it is what it is, I guess. I guess they don't wear as easily, question mark? I don't know, but the sun's nice and it feels good. And I'm absorbing it like a flower. So. Rosie looks happy. Yeah. You happy, aren't you?